In this video, I'm going to introduce you to this Falcon Light model, which has been released by AWS few days ago. This Falcon Light is not a new model. AWS has just quantized the version of Falcon 40B, and then they have also increased the context window or the input length. And that is how they are calling this Falcon Light model to be used for various use cases such as text generation or input retrieval and summarization. One of the things with this Falcon Light model is that you can deploy it on AWS G4 or G5 DN12X large instances, which are quite expensive. One more thing I would like to show you in this video is this benchmarking, where they have benchmarked all of these three machine learning tasks by using this Falcon Light model with different input lengths or context windows. And you can see as the context window is increasing, the performance is decreasing. For example, for topic retrieval, for the input length of 2800 to 3800, it is 100%, but when you increase it to 7500, it has decreased. And same goes for line retrieval and for the passkey retrieval. Okay, now that's done. Let me show you how to install this Falcon Light on your local machine. I'll be using AWS SageMaker Notebook, but you can use any Linux instances for this matter. But one thing you need to make sure is that you are running G5 DN or G4 DN 12x large instances. Okay, the first thing which we need to do is to git clone and this repo, and then go into this repo, build this container, and then go from there. Let me try it out on one of my notebook to see if it works or not. And so let me move to my notebook instance. So I have just created this notebook instance by using G4DN12X large instance. And for this, I'm going to use this PyTorch kernel. So let's click on it and it should open the kernel. Now let me go back and git clone that repo. So I'm git cloning it. That's been done. Let me go back and pick up the CD script, paste it in my notebook. Let's check what is my present working directory. Okay, I'm in the Falcon Light, which is great. Go back and then now let's run this Docker build. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, so it is working. Let's wait for it to finish. This direct sign shows that it is working. So let's wait for it to finish. Docker build command finished. Now let's try to start this, and we need to wait fully while it starts. So let's wait for it to finish. It has started. Now let's install all the requirements. Just need to use this pip install requirement command in order for all the requirements to be installed. So let's wait for it to finish. All the requirements are done. And now let's run this Falcon Light client. Let's wait for it to come back. Okay, so it is saying, so it has thrown an error. Let me try again. So I'm running that same command again because sometimes the network breaks. So let's see what happens this time. So you can see that Falcon Light is running now, no errors this time. And if you want to perform inference or you want to play around with it, you can do that with this code, which I have taken from one of the notebook provided by Amazon. So this is the code which you need to invoke, and this is a Python command where you just need to give it some prompts and template. Because I have installed it in my private instance, so this endpoint is not public. Otherwise, I could run this command, this code, and show you the output. But in this video, you have seen that it is easy to install this Falcon Light on your own laptop, and then from there you can play around with it. I hope that you liked it. In the next video, I'm going to publicly expose this endpoint and then we can test it out and benchmark this Falcon Light. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.